Hey there, collectors. kscollector here, coming at you with another video of this Panasonic electric typewriter. And the paper goes right here, and there's the thing that types it right in there. It moves along, and I don't really want to test it right now. Well, actually I will. Actually no, because it's hard to plug it in. There's not many outlets around where I am. So yeah. And there's a 14 character LCD display. You might not be able to see that because of all the light, but yeah. And here is the keyboard type stuff with and the kscollector. I'm not sure what that's for, but if you could leave in the comments below what you think that's for, or what if you know what that's for, tell me what it is in the comments below. kscollector, I'm not sure what that is. And this I think sets I'm also not sure what these do. Just yeah, and yeah. So here's all the type. It's actually, I like this. I got it for like $7.50, and they're actually worth like $50. So, and it also comes with this little plate here, this little Panasonic, this little plate that goes on top of it, and the paper's in it, as you can see. And yeah, and then you'd move the paper up and down with this, and if you want to take the paper out, you'd have to move this back. And I'm not sure what this one does, but I think it does the same thing. But anyway, so, and then when you're done, you just take it out like so. Yeah, you just take it out, and then you can just shoot that. And when you want to take it somewhere, you can just stick this thing on top of it. Yeah, I'm gonna stick this thing on top of it. Just stick that thing on top of it. So, that's about it for now. Bye.